Hello everyone, welcome back to Unparalleled Lifestyle. If you've ever been feeling drained, disconnected or like you're running on fumes, no matter how much you sleep, today's video is for you. We are diving into the benefits of recovering from burnout. Because here is the truth, burnout isn't just something to push through. It is a signal, a wake-up call, and if you answer it, the rewards are life-changing. So, let's explore what actually happens when you choose recovery, when you reclaim your energy, your alignment, and your peace of mind. The shift from survival to living. Burnout has a sneaky way of making survival feel like the norm. You wake up, go through the motions and get through the day and repeat. The first benefit of recovery is that you stop just surviving and start actually living. When you take steps to heal burnout, you'll notice moments of joy returning. Things that once felt dull suddenly feel brighter. That's because recovery restores your nervous system, allowing you to experience life with clarity and presence instead of feeling stuck in a fog. Renew energy and vitality. The second benefit, energy. Real sustainable energy. Burnout drains your body's reserves. Your physical, emotional and even spiritual fuel tank runs on empty. Recovery is about filling that tank back up. When you align your habits, rest properly and release what no longer serves you, your energy stabilizes. Imagine waking up and actually feeling refreshed. Imagine needing less caffeine to get through the day. Imagine being able to give your best without constantly crashing. That is the gift of recovery. Clear thinking and focus. Third, your mind becomes clear. Burnout clouds your focus. You might notice forgetfulness, brain fog, or that scattered feeling where no amount of to-do list can keep you on track. Recovery restores your cognitive clarity. As you rebuild your energy, your brain gets the oxygen and rest it is been craving. You'll notice sharper decision making, better memory, and ability to focus deeply again. For the professionals, interpreters, this is huge because clarity equals effectiveness, emotional stability and resilience. Next, let's talk about emotions. Burnout often leaves you irritable, anxious or even numb. Recovery allows you to regulate emotions again. Instead of reacting to everything you respond. Instead of snapping at loved ones, you find patience returning. Instead of collapsing under pressure, you begin to thrive in it. The benefit here is resilience. That ability to handle challenges without losing yourself in the process. It is like moving around from being tossed around by the storm to being the calm eye in the middle of it. Stronger relationship. Another powerful benefit. Your relationship improves. When you are burnt out, connections suffers. You are too tired to engage, too irritable to be present, or too distracted to really listen. Recovery changes that. With energy restored, you show up differently, more attentive, more compassionate, more open. Whether it's your partner, kids, friends or colleagues, recovery allows you to build healthier, stronger connections. And relationships are the foundation of a fulfilling life. Alignment with purpose. One of the most underrated benefits of recovery is the clarity of purpose. Burnout can make you question everything. Why am I doing this? Does any of it matter? But once you recover, you reconnect with your why. You begin to feel alignment between who you are, what you value, and what you do. Purpose gives meaning to your work and joy to your days. And when you are aligned, success feels lighter. It flows instead of forcing. Healthy body, strong immune system. Let's talk about physical health. Burnout weakens the immune system, raises blood pressure, and increases your risk of chronic illness. Recovery does the opposite. Your body repairs itself when it finally gets a proper rest. Your hormones regulates. Your immune system strengthens, and even things like digestion and sleep patterns improve. The benefit here is not just feeling better today, but protecting your long-term health. Because your career and your dreams means nothing if your health isn't there to carry you forward. Creativity returns. Another beautiful shift. Creativity comes back. When you are exhausted, creativity feels impossible. But once you heal, you'll notice ideas flowing again. Solution, innovations, and inspiration start to appear. Whether you are running a business, working in a team, or simply navigating life, creativity fuels progress. Recovery unlocks that part that you have been dormant under the weight of exhaustion. Confidence and self-trust. Here's another hidden benefit. Confidence. Burnout makes you doubt yourself. You question your abilities, your worth, and your capacity. But as you recover, confidence grows again. Why? Because every step you take to heal proves something to yourself. I can rebuild. I can create balance. I can protect my energy. And that self-trust becomes a foundation for future success. Freedom and peace of mind. Finally, the ultimate benefit of recovery from burnout is freedom. Freedom from the endless cycle of exhaustion. Freedom from the guilt of not doing enough. Freedom from the fear of collapse. When you recover, you gain peace of mind. That deep knowing you are in control of your energy, your choices, and your life. And that peace is priceless. So, let's recap. The benefits of recovery are life-changing, from renewed energy and clarity to stronger relationship, purpose, resilience, creativity, and freedom. Burnout isn't just exhaustion, it's misalignment. But recovery isn't just about getting back to normal. It is about creating a better version of your life. One where energy, clarity and peace are your natural state. If this message resonates with you, I invite you to take the next step. I run a private community called the Energetic Revolution. It is where I help professionals, entrepreneurs and leaders recover from burnout and realign their energy. If you are ready to rise stronger, I'd love for you to join us. Drop a comment below if you experience burnout. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. And don't forget to subscribe to Unparalleled Lifestyle for more insight on energy, alignment and creating a life that works for you, not against you. Protect your energy, honour your alignment, and I'll see you in the next video. Many blessings, wherever you are in the world.